Hey guys, so the Go Wild area is about 3 weeks away. So we're going to talk about preparation. So stay tuned for that.
I want to be the very best, like no one else.
Hey guys, like I said in the intro, this is a preparation guide for the Go Wild area event in Pokemon Go. So first things first, you want to stock up on as many Poké Balls as you physically and possibly can. Because nothing is more irritating than coming encounter with these big events and running out of Pokeballs. So that's tip number 1. We're going to be moving on to tip number 2, which is charge your battery packs, charging cases, so on and so on, the night before. Same thing. Nothing is more frustrating than having a phone die on these big events. Number 3 is pack in a backpack. Pack snacks. Like you're going for a hike. Like granola bars, Nutri-Grain bars, trail mix. Tip number 4. Going back to tip number 3, it goes with that. So I guess 3.5 is bring lots of water, especially if you're going to be playing the whole event, which this event does start on November 24th at 10 a.m. to November 25th at 6 p.m. local time each day. So 10 to 6 p.m. local day, both days. Pokecoins, what about it? So the best way to get Pokecoins is leaving your Pokemon in gyms. Every minute it's in there, it will accumulate Pokecoins. This is one of the easiest ways to get 50 Pokecoins per day. But also, if you guys want to do more, the key thing is go out and get a job. Whether it's mowing a lawn, going to work at McDonald's, anything that can get you a little bit of spare cash to help you get Pokecoins. Next tip is bring sunscreen. I know in New York State it's going to be chilly, but that doesn't mean that you won't burn if the sun beats on you. So make sure you take care of your sunscreen. Pack your bag the night before. Stock up on your berries, revives, potions. Also, manage and take out the trash of Pokemon. So no, I do not literally mean, it's chore time, go take out the trash. Right now in Pokemon Go, the max Pokemon storage is 8,300. You want to go in with at least 3,000 to 4,000 room. So get rid of all the unknown, useless Pokemon, which at the time of this recording, Tuesday, will be Surskit Spotlight Hour with 2 times transfer candy. So that would be a good way to do it. Wait till that and go ahead and transfer your. And last but not least, guys, have fun. Be safe. Because if you're not having fun, why are you playing the game? So remember, stay safe, have fun. That being said, this is the end of this video of the preparation guide. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure you subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell. And if you guys want to see more Pokemon Go content outside of this video, check on this video over here. It will be the actual Go Wild area event details. and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.